Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. This morning, guys, we're gonna do a quick and easy on the go smoothie recipe. It's cherry, ripe banana smoothie. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when Done doing a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. Half pound of red cherries, 1 ripe bananas, 6 cubes of ice, 1 cup of almond milk, half teaspoon ginger juice, and half a teaspoon vanilla. You need some sugar for sweetening, or honey, or agave. If you don't know agave is like this, and it also resembles honey. So this is what I use for my sweetener. Agave. I already have all the cherries washed. You have to ensure you wash your fruit before you even begin to make your smoothie. After washing the cherries, I noticed one cherry looking different. Look at this. Guys, give me your earnest opinion on this. What this look like to you? Yeah, it look like a pea. Yeah, it look like. Let me know what you think of this, or what it look like to you. The time of the tide, or heavy beer, you know. And down here you can see this separation, the split, like you know the bar right there. So this side is 1 and this side is 2. You see the split right here. So first, guys, we have to remove the seed, and I'll show you how to remove the seed. You don't want to blend your smoothie or make your smoothie with the seed in it. You have to ensure that all seed is out. Okay. I'm just gonna remove the seed from the cherry. So you just want to cut it open in half. Just push it aside, just like that. And this is a seed you see on the inside right here. So you're gonna take it out. So this is what we will be doing with all the cherries. Just remove the seed. The stem, I forgot to tell you, you have to remove the stem so you don't want this in, so just pluck it out. Guys, you're watching the video and you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe. Let me stop and just give you some time to subscribe. Okay, and remember to like the video. Don't just comment and don't like the video. Share the video. I'm using half of the ripe banana. Share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when Done upload a video. And share the video with friends, family, with friend, co-worker. It's free. There's no charge to subscribe, and there's no charge to like. So now that we finish, take the seed from the cherries. You need a blender. You're just gonna add the cherries in. Put all I'm gonna add the ripe banana in. Put the ginger juice and the vanilla in. Almond milk. You know, I like to put like a cinnamon powder in. Let me get a little pinch of cinnamon. Just a pinch. I love cinnamon powder in my smoothie. And this is the ice. I'm gonna add the ice in. I'm gonna put some agave or your honey. If you have sugar, you can use the sugar for sweetener. Whatever you need, you like for your sweetener. Our cherry smoothie is now ready for drinking, guys. And look at this. Look how thick. Look how nice it looking. So remember to thumbs up, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell. I love you guys. Please take care of yourself. And above all, let us be our brother's keeper. Peace and love. And I see you on the next one. Thank you all for watching. From my kitchen to your kitchen. Bye for now.